My name is Paulo Ferreira. I am the maintenance manager here at Imperial. Imperial was founded back in 1932 and is currently the biggest chocolate manufacturer in Portugal. We have been for more than 80 years investing and innovating in the art of chocolate making and surprising consumers with offerings that often exceed their expectations. Imperial has a wide range of products that respond to trends in all segments of the chocolate market. Currently, we are coding our chocolates with the newest Domino AX series.
So the main characteristics of a good code are readability and repeatability, which means that the code needs to be printed exactly in the same place every single time.
For us, the more important aspect is availability, and that is only possible with quick customer support as the one as Domino provides.
So there are a lot of improvements with this new system. The design, it's cleaner, it feels more robust, more sturdy. The menus feel more intuitive and are easier to learn, which means we spend less time training operators. With the new AX series from Domino, it allows us to print at higher speeds, maintaining high quality coding.
The continuous search for innovation is the reason why we chose to install the new AX series that Domino is providing.
If you want a robust printer with high quality coding, then I would recommend the AX series printer.